Hello friends, today we are going to learn reproduction in plants and our topic is outbreeding devices or controversies to promote cross pollination. Outbreeding occurs due to cross pollination, and for this in many plants some devices are developed, and these devices we are going to learn. So friends, cross pollination means xenogamy involve the transfer of pollen grains from flower of one plant to the stigma of flower of another plant. There are many merits of this cross pollination. Seeds are more and viable. Second is progenies are healthier which are produced due to cross pollination. Adaptability is better and new varieties can be produced or speciation can take place due to cross pollination. These are merits over self pollination. There are some demerits also. First is process is not definite because plants depend on external agencies, that is pollinators. Large amount of pollen grains are wasted due to external pollinators. Till plants have developed many devices to encourage cross pollination and avoid self pollination. First of that is unisexuality or dioicism. Male and female flowers are born on two different plants. Flowers are unisexual. Monoecious plant, that is male and female flower born on the same plant, for example maize. Dioecious plants, male and female flowers born on two different plants, for example mulberry and papaya. In papaya, there are some male plant and some are female plant. Means plants are separate. But as in maize, that is monoecious plant, both male and female flowers are on the same plant. Next is dichogamy. What is dichogamy? Flower in which anther and stigma mature at different times. Bisexual flower in which anther and stigma mature at different time. And this is exact opposite condition to the homogamy. Dichogamy is of two types. First is protandry. When androecium matures earlier than gynoecium in bisexual flower is called protandry. For example, sunflower, coriander, jasmine, ladyfinger. Protogyny. In bisexual flower, when gynoecium mature earlier than anther is called protogyny. For example, rose, tobacco, gloricia. After this is heterostyly or heteromorphy. In this type of bisexual flowers, stigma and anther are placed at different levels. Means they are not in same level. This prevents pollen grains from reaching the stigma to pollinate it. Means pollen grain of the same flower can't pollinate the stigma or can't pollinate that flower. That is, no self pollination occurs there in heteromorphic flowers. Next device for outbreeding is developed, that is hercogamy. So hercogamy is mechanical device to prevent self pollination in bisexual flower. Flower is bisexual till there is one physical or mechanical device naturally produced in that flower to prevent self-pollination. In some plant, natural physical barrier is present between sex organs to avoid contact of pollen grains and stigma. For example, in calotropis, calotropis म्हणजे रुईचं झाड, पांढऱ्या फुलांचे गुच्छ ज्याला असतात ते. In this calotropis, pentangular stigma is above the level of anther and pollen grains are in pollinia, and this pollen grains or bunch of pollen grain is impossible to drag out through pollinia without the help of insect. And so in Hercogamous flower, pollination is with help of external other pollinators, you can say, like insect, etc. Next is self incompatibility or self sterility, means they are not sterile till there is self sterility. Means what? In this genetic mechanism, due to which germination of pollen or stigma of same flower is inhibited. Means if pollen grains falls on the stigma of the same flower, in that case that pollen grain can't germinate, means no self pollination is possible, no fertilization will be there in this condition. That is because there is genetic mechanism in this, means in self sterility, genetic mechanism due to which germination of pollen or stigma of the same flower is inhibited. For example, tobacco, thea. So here we learn about outbreeding devices which encourage the cross pollination, and as we have seen, cross pollination have some merits over self pollination, and for this many plants in the nature use this cross pollination, and cross pollination is encouraged by the nature.